Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this fall off the bone oxtail recipe. It's so delicious. I can't wait to show you guys how to make it. It is a step-by-step video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're new here, and let's begin. To begin, I told you guys this was supposed to be a step-by-step video. I am using about 8 pounds of oxtail. Yes, I know it's a lot. I'm having a feast today, okay? So I'm going to start by removing the fat of the oxtail, because if you cook oxtail before, you know they have lots and lots of fat. Okay, this is about 30 minutes later once I'm done removing all of the fat. Okay, well, there's still some more fat, but yeah, that's the best I can do. So I'm going in with a sharp knife and basically slice the oxtail. That will help the seasoning penetrate through the meat, of course, and it's going to make your oxtail cook faster, believe it or not. Yes. Once I'm done slicing it, I am going to sprinkle some salt on there. This is going to be like the cleaning process. I'm adding salt, and if you don't want to clean it, that's fine. You can just add your seasoning right then and there. But I like to season my oxtail to remove that gamey smell, gamey taste, flavor. Yeah. So I'm going to pour in some lemon juice. You can use lime, and I pour some vinegar in there as well. So I'm going to use the lemon and scrub it, rub it all over the oxtail. Okay. At this point, you can let it sit for about 10 minutes or so. If you don't want to wait, you can just go ahead and rinse it off. And here we are. I am about to season. Okay, now get ready. All of these seasoning will be listed below, so don't be afraid. Don't worry, they will be there. I am using some Haitian Epis. It's a green seasoning, consists of onion, bell peppers, parsley, scallion, garlic, all of that good stuff in there. Okay, Spanish people use it as well. It's called sofrito, I think, but this is the Haitian way, honey. There's oil and vinegar in there as well. So I'm using about 1/3 cup, I would say, maybe 1/4 cup, and just pour that on there. This has lots of stuff in there. Okay, it's gonna definitely take your oxtail to up a notch. Okay, up a notch. So once I'm done, I'm going to add, I like the garlicky flavor. Okay, I like the garlicky flavor, so I'm going to add some more garlic paste in the oxtail, and these are the seasoning you will need, honey. I'm using sazon, I'm using adobo seasoning, I'm using complete seasoning, I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, I'm using ground black pepper. That is all you need. No salt. You can add the salt later, but you can't remove the salt. So no salt for now. Once you're done mixing that up together, as you can see, well seasoned, right? Right. Okay. Now we here. I am going to sprinkle some ketchup on there, just like so, not too much. And then you are going to add some Worcestershire sauce. Just pour that in and mix it again. We're not done yet. I'm going to add some fresh minced parsley. Also, I'm going to add scotch bonnet pepper, not a lot, just a little bit, just for a kick. Also, I'm going to add some diced onion with some diced bell peppers. Yes, mix that up together. This is overnight, by the way. This is the night before, by the way. So once I'm done, I am going to cover this, place it in the fridge for tomorrow. All right, guys, this is the next day. I am going to add some oil to my pot. This is the old-fashioned Haitian pot right there. That's why we on the stove, baby. I am going to add some brown sugar, allow it to get really nice and hot. Next, I'm going to place the oxtail in there. I'm going to braise the oxtail until it's nice and golden brown on both sides. All right, now I'm going to remove these and set them aside because we have a lot of oxtail. I have to do a second batch. Yes, that's the biggest pot I have in my household, so don't judge me. So I'm going to braise the last batch and then we'll start cooking these oxtail. Now I'm going to just pour the first batch of the oxtail on there, and then I am going to grab the onions and the bell peppers. As you can see, they're not there because I wanted to braise the oxtail by itself first. Now I'm pouring that all over just like so. Next, we are going to add some beef broth. You can use water, but of course the beef broth will add extra flavor. Next, we're going to add some pimentos for some nice flavor. This definitely enhances the flavor a lot. So make sure you add that in. You can also use allspice. Then cover it, place it in the fridge. Then cover it and let it simmer on low for about 2 to 3 hours. If you like it nice and soft and falling off the bone like I do, basically this is it. It was so flavorful. As you can see, the meat is falling off. You guys, this is one of the best dish you'll ever eat. It's so flavorful, so succulent. And I'm so sorry. By the way, there was a lot of fat still, like a lot of oil. On top of the oxtail, I had to skim it with a spoon to remove the oil. That's why you don't see them here, but it was still a lot. But after I remove all of the fat, all of the oil, this is what I have. This is what I have left. The sauce was hands down the best. So flavorful. Okay, give this a try. Let me know how you like it. Also, if you try this, come back, leave me a comment. I will appreciate it. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up for me if you haven't done so. Look at that. Yes. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.